Hi, we have looked at programs that execute sequentially and programs that can execute one or another code depending on a condition. I'm talking about if. And today we will talk about loops in code. That is, when we go to the bottom line, execute it, and then return to the top line, repeating this several times depending on the condition. This is called a for-in loop. The loop iterates, goes through the elements for a sequence, for example, a list, a string, or another iterable object. Let's make a data and write this more in detail. The loop starts with keyword for, followed by the name of the variable that will be used for each element of the sequence. After this comes the keyword in and then the sequence itself. We will use our list 1, 2, 3. After the sequence, a colon is placed, and on the next line the block of code begins with an indent, which will be executed for each element. We are going to draw all this. Here is an example of a for loop that iterates over each number in a list and prints that number. The loop starts. First it takes the 0 element. Remember that indexing starts from 0. It prints it, then the program goes up to the line with 4, takes the number 2 and prints 2. Again up, takes the last element and prints 3, and since this was the last element, the program goes out of loop and moves to next line. Let's write it in PyCharm. We put an empty input so that the program stops after each cycle. The first cycle we print 1, stop, press enter. The second cycle we print 2, stop, press enter. The last cycle we print 3, stop, press enter, and exit the loop. If we had a list with a larger number of elements, we would do more iterations. The same indexing is in the string. Let's see what happens with Hello Python. See, here we have reflected many iterations, and each line is a separated iteration. Even a space has its own step in the loop. Imagine we have a list of numbers. If a number is greater than 0, then we divide it by 4. If the number is less than 0, then we add 20 to it. So we write a list. -99, 100, 5, 20, -17, we put it in a list. We write the conditions. If it is greater than 0, we divide it by 4. If less, we add 20. Everything worked out. Thank you for watching up to this point. Congrats on another step towards your goal. If there are interesting tasks on this topic, write in the comments. In the description you will find useful links, tests, tasks and more.